Cable tension is lost on the aft starboard balloon. Confirming loss. Stabilizing lines. Slowly now. Roger that. Adjusting tension on our end. Keep the pressure steady here.
Checking the levels now.
We need to make sure it covers the entire section. Engines disengaged. Good flight. Roger that. Welcome back, Captain. The readings are stable.
Good. Let's start the deployment.
Yep.
Ready when you are.
The depth is increasing rapidly here.
We need to stabilize it before it hits the lower layer.
Adjusting the frequency now. Cable tension is lost on the aft starboard balloon. Confirming loss. Stabilizing lines. Slowly now. Roger that. Adjusting tension on our end. Keep the pressure steady here.
Checking the levels now.
We need to make sure it covers the entire section. Fitting F2B.
Found it.
Slow release.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. Keep it steady. Looking good.
Clearance is fine.
Monitoring the load, sir.
The laser scan confirms the structural fatigue here. I'm marking the area now for the repair team.
All right, I'm getting a perfect alignment here. Confirmed on screen, updating the model now.
The cutter's engaging the plate.
Precision looks good.
We are go for extraction.
1/10 up. Adjusting.
Check.
Checking the levels now, looks good. Locked in, confirming on clipboard. Keep it steady, looking good. The bead looks perfect.
Ensure the gauge reads within tolerance before final polish.
Maintaining steady pressure.
Suction engaged. Perfect, it's becoming mirror-like. Looks good. Unit powering down.
The connection is good. Confirmed, the power flows through. Check the alignment of the horizon indicator. Verified, it's locked in place. All right, slowly does it.
Got it. Easy.
Just a little more. The finish looks clean there.
Good, let me update the notes.
We're on schedule?
Perfect.
The measurements are holding steady.
Good. Proceed with the final tightening of the struts.
The alignment is holding steady.
Perfect within tolerance.
Proceed with installation. The restoration is complete.
It's looking perfect.
Let's begin the final inspection. The alignment is perfect.
Hi, Jimmy.
Engaging the bolts. Monitoring pressure.
Line 3 connected securely?
Tablet shows green.
Solid. Another perfect install, crew. Oil pressure stabilizing. Charts look good. We're ready.
Correct.
Initiating slow rotation. Smooth as silk.
Parameters are holding steady. Data reflects nominal readings. Initiate final check.
Readings look stable.
Confirm. Temperature consistent across the wing.
Checking the rudder now.
Readings look good.
Copy that. Moving to the next panel.
System check complete. Everything is green.
Power check initiated. Confirm. Engine indications steady. Readings match. Pre-flight complete. Idle speed reached on all four.
Copy that. Monitoring stability.
Looking good on the data streams, smooth as silk. The thermal signatures are within spec.
Monitor the spike on cylinder 3.
Acknowledged, maintaining steady power. Hydraulics holding steady at 80%. Flaps and gear showing green, system is nominal.
The primary systems check is complete. Copy that. Monitoring station shows greens across the board. Check the magnetos one more time. Verified. All systems are nominal.
Taxi speed looks good.
Clearance confirmed. Proceed as planned.
Roger that. Systems are green. Sync systems are telling her. Engines are spooling up to full power. Affirmative.
The engine checks are complete. Looks like we're good to go.
Perfect, just the pre-flight routine left now.
Stand by, ready for boarding.
The laser projection is stable on the fuselage. Copy that. We're getting a good read on the forward section.
Flow rate looks steady.
Affirmative, pressure is holding.
Digital indicators are stable, no fluctuations.
Status check is green. Confirmed. All systems nominal. Ready to go.
Holding 2000. Confirm 2000.
Readings look stable. Affirmative. Maintaining altitude.
Checking flap settings, we're looking good for takeoff.
Tablet shows optimal readings. Let's roll.
Engines disengaged. Good flight. Roger that. Welcome back, Captain.